Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a beautiful poinsettia. Let's get started. Here I have a clear 4-inch jelly ready for piping. I'll use this two color for my poinsettia. Yellow for the stems and red for the petals. Start with our first stem, use needle number 1, then second stem. I piped in 3 stems for the first layer and 5 stems for the second layer. 3 stem layers in total to create the depth of the stem. Now we have the stems done. For the petals, I'll show you 2 methods. The first method is pipe the petals. Then inject the color using number 1 needle. Piping in the petal. You can see that color is not injected into the jelly. Always clean up the excess liquid so the surface is nice and clean. Inject the red jelly liquid into the petals. Make sure do it slow and gently. Here's how it looks like for the first layer. This is how I like to hold my syringe. I find it easier to control the force of injecting the jelly liquid. Then we use a second method for the second layer. This method involves piping and injecting the color. At the same time, pipe in the petal, then inject the jelly liquid gently. You can use either method to create your flower petals. Here's our second petal layer. Then use number 4 for the third layer using the same method. We are almost done. Clean it up and cover the back with jelly liquid. Here are beautiful poinsettia. Use number 5 for the leaves. Once you practice more, you can do it fast using this method. Clean it up and cover the back with the jelly liquid. Once we done so, let it sit in the fridge for 10 to 20 minutes before take it out from the mold. Here's our beautiful and vivid poinsettias. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more jelly art videos. See you next time.